Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your device meets the minimum, Android 8, 0 or higher and at least 3 GB RAM with 5 GB free storage. Next, sign into the account you use for Bgmi because beta access is linked to your profile. This avoids mismatch issues. Once done, open the app distribution channel that hosts the beta, find the game listing, and opt into the beta program. This immediate opt-in triggers the beta enrollment process and prepares your device to download. Once enrolled, make sure you switch to the beta channel in your App Store or accept an official invite. This is how the system will serve pre-release builds. Then download the incremental update or the full beta APK that appears. Incremental patches are smaller and preserve settings. Install the package when prompted and grant only necessary permissions. If you must sideload, enable unknown sources temporarily and only use the signed beta APK from the official release. This prevents malicious installs and keeps your main release intact. You finish by launching the beta and completing first-run setup so your profile and settings migrate. This ensures the test build has your data. Report bugs directly through the in-game feedback or the provided beta form so devs can act. If the beta crashes or breaks gameplay, clear the app cache, reinstall the beta build, or opt out of the beta to revert to the stable release. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a backup of your account data before major beta updates to avoid loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.